Okay, let's try that again. I don't know what happened. We've got Charlotte here, and she's going to tell us a little about Sun Gypsy.
Hello. So we are popped up here at Sun Gypsy, and if you're not able to come live and shop, then you can shop on our website. Just go to our Facebook page, Sun Gypsy Boutique, and the link will be right in the little information box.
Okay. She's going to write that up for you so I can take a screenshot too with one random piece of paper. And this is 4th of July. And downtown is buzzing. There's tractors all over in the park. But Tina's got AC here, so that was a no-brainer for me. She said, will you come and set up? And I said, downtown? She said, in the Gypsy. I'm in the gathering room. I said, oh, AC. Yeah, we'll be there. So that's what we're doing, and that's what we have here. All the Tupperware. I'm going to let you look around this beautiful building. It's not been redone. There's a crowd of people here. They've got drinks. There's Tina. Tina, you want to come over and say hi? Tina is the Sun Gypsy.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, so we're going to get your link, and you got some clothes you're going to show them and stuff a little bit later. We'll come live again and do that in a minute. And but right now we're just having the festivities. Thank you, Charlotte.
Happy 4th, everyone.
I'll send you the link so you can post it.
Okay, that'll be good. She's going to send me the link. And here's all the folks here at the Sun Gypsy. I'll show you what I bought. I know. Look in this bag. They've got, I've never heard of it, sourdough brownie. I'm glued. It's hard to do with anything with one. Look at them brownies. They're sourdough. Sourdough brownies. And then here is sourdough cinnamon rolls. Sorry for all the movement. I've got one hand. Mama, pull that bag. It's giving me all the trouble I can handle. And there it is. Sourdough cinnamon rolls, sourdough sliced bread. And this, she says, is a pizza loaf that we can eat. And you know how Mama loves pizza loaf. So sourdough, all this homemade baked goods. Mama, what are you going to do with that pizza loaf?
I'm going to eat it.
And dip it in marinara? That'll be delicious. That's grilled cheese. Mama, you may have to make new pimento cheese.
Oh, yeah, we're about out of time.
And these right here are just screaming for a cup of coffee. Those are homemade, folks, and icing is too. And we are excited. Look how beautiful. This place is beautiful. It's historic. It's an old building here in Jellicoe, but Tina's put her touch on it. And look at the exposed brick. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not getting any comments. I'm just watching. Ooh, I'm watching a fly in here. Shut the door. Shut the door. There's us.
I just posted the link on the group.
Okay, so she just posted the link, and it's the same. You want to tell them what it is again?
It's a Shopify link. So whenever you see it, it'll say like KW something dot my Shopify dot. So you just click on it and it'll take you right to the website.
And we're going to give you a little sample of the clothing, but they've got all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
You want to tell them some of the stuff?
We've got Candleberry candles. We've got 4th of July t-shirts, just summertime clothes. We have some bottoms, some shorts and skirts. And then the vendors are set up, and we've got some bread, some sweets, necklaces,
Yeah.
Johnny,
Ah.
and just the one I have on, super cute.
Yeah.
It's my favorite word to say. If you watch our lives, I say super cute about a million times.
Turn
The
it.
double flag.
And look at the back. Loves Jesus in America too. Ain't that sweet?
Yep.
And they gave Mama one when Mama's
She
wearing
looks so
hers.
cute.
Mama, show me yours. How pretty you are.
Flag here and I like that.
Y'all know how Mama loves a good t-shirt.
Don't she rock it?
She does. Mama, we're going to let you say goodbye.
Goodbye. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
We'll be back in a little while with another live. And then this evening we're going to cook a little bit. So we'll see y'all for some cooking later. So y'all have a blessed day. We're out here pushing Tupperware today. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
Bye-bye.